David na gumawa ng the fear of this, my brothers and sisters, many of us, siguro dahil sa kasigahang mayroon tayo, because of the material goods that we have in our own time, dahil ng mga bagay na pinagpapura natin, iniisip natin kaya na.
Look, O Lord, we pray, on the surpassing charity in the heart of your beloved Son, that what we offer may be